Baba Ghanoush. Not only does it sound fun, it's also an absolutely delicious idea for a dip. It's kind of like hummus's brother from another mother, which I made earlier, by the way. Link in the description. For this recipe, we'll need 4 medium-sized eggplants. Give them a good wash and pat them dry. Then grab something sharp, a knife or a fork will do, and start poking them all over. Make sure you go in deep, at least halfway through the eggplant's diameter. Once that's done, rub them generously with oil and pop them into an oven set to its highest temperature. If your oven has a grill or broiler function, now's the time to use it. Roast them for about 30 minutes until the skin gets nicely charred in spots and starts collapsing. After baking, take the eggplants out and let them rest for 5 minutes. Then, using a spoon, scoop out the soft, smoky flesh. Careful, they're still very hot. Now grab the biggest knife you've got and start chopping the eggplant into a rough paste. You want it chunky, with little bits still visible. This will take about 2 minutes of chopping. Once done, transfer the mixture to a kitchen strainer and let it drain and cool to room temperature. You can speed things up by gently pressing it with a spatula. While the eggplant is chillin', let's make the flavor-packed heart of Baba Ghanoush. You'll need 4 tablespoons of tahini, juice from half a lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, a pinch of salt, black pepper, a bit of spicy chili, sweet paprika, and cumin. Mix it all up until beautifully smooth. Then add in your drained, cooled eggplant and stir it all together. And just like that, bam, we've got Baba Ghanoush. Now grab a shallow bowl or plate and scoop in your dip. Spread it around with a spoon or spatula, like you're plating at a 5-star restaurant. You're the chef now. Take your time and enjoy the moment. Drizzle with olive oil and top it off with a generous sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley. Baba Ghanoush isn't for everyone, but once someone tastes it, they'll be hooked for life. Pro tip: if you don't have tahini or just don't want to use it, no worries. You can totally sub it with peanut butter. It'll give the dish a unique twist and a whole new layer of flavor. That's it for today, folks. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.